Hello, my name is Dave Aubert with Prescient Solutions. In this video, we will set up a site-to-site VPN tunnel between two locations using a Cisco ASA firewall at each site. Before you begin configuring the firewalls, you will want to gather some information. Notice in the diagram, I have documented what the outside IP address of each firewall is, the inside LAN subnet or subnets we will be tunneling, and the pre-shared key we will be using. Once we have all this information, we will first set up Site A, then we will set up Site B, and finally, we'll test and verify that traffic is flowing through the tunnels between the two sites. Okay, let's configure the ASA at the first site. So you'll see that I'm already connected to the ASDM. We'll go ahead and launch the VPN wizard by clicking on Wizards, VPN Wizards, Site-to-Site VPN Wizards. This is the introduction screen. Click Next. Go ahead and type in the peer IP address. That's the public IP address at the second site. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that from my diagram. The interface is the outside interface. Click Next. The traffic to protect. So this is the local inside private subnet and the remote inside subnets we're going to be tunneling. So for the local traffic, we'll hit the dots and we will select inside. For the remote, I don't have any objects set up. I'm actually going to go ahead and add a network object for this. It is going to be actually a network. We will call this Site B and 172.19.1.0. If I wanted to add a description, I can, but I'm just going to go ahead and click OK. Alright, so now we've got our two networks we're going to protect. Click Next. Pre-share key, I'm going to go get this from my diagram again. Next, we're going to exempt the this side from translation because we want the traffic to go through the tunnel and not actually translate. And that's, of course, going to happen on the inside interface. Click Next. A summary, it's automatically assigning us the different encryptions and the various policies we're using. Go ahead and click Finish. And there we go. It has added the tunnel to our first site. Okay, we're going to configure the Cisco ASA at the second site now. So again, I'm going to click Wizards, VPN Wizards, Site-to-Site VPN Wizard. Click Next on the first screen. The peer IP address, let's go ahead and grab that. That's now, since we're on Site B, we're going to grab the peer address for Site A. Okay. Next. All right, this time, again, these are the networks where the networks we're going to protect. So we're going to choose the inside network for Site B. For Site A, we're going to go ahead and set up an object just like we did in the previous step. So I'm going to set up a network. We'll name it Site A. We can either type in the subnet mask or choose it from the drop-down. All right. So for Site B, we've chosen the local and remote networks. Click Next. Pre-shared key. It's going to be the exact same one. Again, we're going to exempt the traffic from translation. Click Next. Again, your summary. Click Finish. Oh, of course, I need to log in. All right, we have now set up Site B. Now we can move on to testing and verification. Okay, now that we have both locations configured, we're going to go ahead and test and verify that we're able to pass traffic. So the easiest way to do that is to bring up a command prompt and ping a host at the other location. So I'm going to go ahead and ping, I'm going to just ping the inside interface of the firewall. I'm not actually sure if that other host is available. And there you go. From site A, we're getting a response from the firewall at site B. So if we were to pull up the ASDM, and we can click on monitoring. We'll take if we monitoring VPN, and you'll take note that we have our connection set up. We have traffic in and out. We have verified that the tunnel is up, and we are successfully able to pass traffic. That's all there is to it. We gathered the information we needed, set up the first site, set up the second site, and then verified everything worked. For more information, see Cisco.com. Any questions or comments, please contact Dave Aubert at daubert@prescientsolutions.com. Thank you for watching.